Hello guys, welcome to IT Cyber Cafe. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply a TUT if already you are having a student number and then the PIN. Because I saw some they wanted me to show them, and then guys, I can't show like one, but then I decided to make a video so that everyone can get the guidance. If you are having a student number guys, remember the platform of applying a TUT has been changed, right? So I'm gonna show you how to deal with it if you are having a student number already. So what you're gonna do guys, you're gonna open your Chrome. As you can see on my screen, there is a Chrome, and then when you get to Chrome, you're gonna search TUT. You search TUT, and then here we are guys, and then you can just click on the first one, TUT. Let me not confuse you. And then you click on apply. You see there's apply there on top. It's written apply now, highlighted in red. You click that apply now, and then here we are guys. Here we are. Remember, now guys, I'm showing you the procedure if you are having a student number already. So the first they are saying, am I South African citizen? Yes. Do I have student number? Yes. Are you returning to complete application? No. And then here you put your student number, you put your PIN, and then after guys, you click login. Then you see there is a higher volume. Let me click login again. Login. There is a higher volume guys at TT, don't be surprised. So yeah, here I am guys, here I am. As you can see, here I am, still step 1 of 8. So first I'm gonna click on identification details. You click on identity details, and then here we are guys, here we are. So now they want me to upload a ID, right? So I'm gonna click upload. So you see the file is uploaded successfully. So now let me scroll down so that I can do other things. So yeah, let me open application information. Remember guys, now I'm not filling everything. I'm not filling everything guys, because already I have a profile. Remember, I have a student number already, and then I have the PIN. So now I'm just coming to do readmission, but then the readmission is the same as like the full process, but then yeah, just go with me guys, just go with me. Then let me open next of kin information, and then let me put next of kin information. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill where there's nothing guys, but we see some of the options there already. My details are there. So yeah, this is how you do this thing guys, this is how you do this thing. And then you know what I want from you guys, I want you guys to support my channel, I want you guys to like, to share, like because this is an important information my people. If you can check, it's important information, which is not the information that you must keep on yourself. It's the information that you must share with others so that everyone can be in the light. And then again guys, another thing guys, where there's a red star, it means it's compulsory. If you didn't fill that part, you can't go anywhere guys. So just make sure that where there is a red star, you fill, and then where there is no red star, you can pass, you can fill, that's up to you, but it means it's not compulsory. And then you know what compulsory means guys. If something is compulsory, it means you have to do it. I hope you guys are watching. Now I just clicked update, right? I hope you guys are watching. But you can see guys, hey, now we are having high volume on people are applying all over. But you can see guys, now the confirm down there is available. So I'm gonna click the confirm. And then as you can see guys, now I am in education details, right, which is step number 2 of 8. You can see step number 2 of 8. So now I'm gonna choose here, I'm applying for 2026, and then now I'm gonna select here, I am applying using grade 12 results. And then obviously guys, I'm applying for undergraduate. Remember, if you're having metric only guys, you cannot apply for postgraduate. You can only apply for undergraduate. And then here guys, you put the name of your high school. You can just type it so that it can save your time guys. You can just type it, and then you see now the contour is in blue. Like if guys you are doing the procedure in the right way, the contour should be in blue, and then when it's in blue, it means now you can click it and then go to the next step. And then you see guys, now they want me to put school results. So now I'm gonna put the school result. You must make sure that when it's upload like this, you click the upload. You can't leave without clicking the upload, because it must say uploaded successfully, and then that's when you can click update and then go to the next step. Now I'm gonna click update, and then you see guys, then now I click confirm. And then about the previous study qualification, add previous qualification. If you have studied a qualification at another tertiary or institution or university before, and then you're gonna click here, you wanna click here, add previous qualification, and then they're gonna give you options, you add to a previous qualification. But then if you never studied anywhere, you're gonna just click contour, and then you see guys, I'm step 3 of number 8, and then yeah, here I am guys. So let me just choose the campus. Let's just choose, hopefully guys, maybe the courses will be there, because wow, it's a traffic guys, it's a traffic. And then see, and then after guys, you click contour. But a certain qualification may cap on certain school subject or institution. Politics might affect the overall OPS. Okay, sharp. Humanities is there. You open. Okay guys, yeah, nice. As you can see guys, in Soshongube, the courses are there. Yes, these are the courses that I wanted guys. So first of all, I want legal support. I want language practice. Then there is a law, and then there's what, journalism. Where's journalism? In here there's no journalism, right? It means journalism I'm gonna take it in Polokwane. Yeah, journalism I'm gonna take it in Polokwane. Let me just take diploma in correctional service, then I'm fine. Let me go to Polokwane campus and then add the last one, which is the 5th choice. So I'm gonna add journalism. In Polokwane is not there. Let me go to Pitori full time. So yeah guys, you just check the courses that you want. Don't feel like you are forced to choose the course that you don't want guys. Take your time in choosing the courses. Don't rush. Don't rush guys. Don't rush. As you can see now, I almost open like all, and then guys, you can see where the courses are like this. It means already there are no more guys. If you can see now, I go there, it's like in red, there are no more available. This is TUT guys, it's TUT. Take your time, it's getting full by day. So yeah, so okay, now guys, let me just click contour. Okay, now they are asking me to put like the first choice, second choice, third choice. So this one, legal support, is gonna be my first choice, and then second choice is gonna be language in practice, and then the third choice is gonna be law, and then the fourth choice is gonna be, this one should be the 5th choice. Let me put it the 5th choice, and then the 4th choice will be journalism. And then after you click next, account payer information, who will pay? Obviously public bursary. It refers to NSFAS. If you're gonna be paying yourself, you can click self-paying. or if you are having a private bursary, you're gonna click private bursary. Or if maybe you have another funding, you're gonna click I require funding. But then now, since I'm gonna be using NFAS, I'm gonna click public bursary. After you click next, so yeah, in this part guys, if you can check here guys, is where you choose documents. First you have ID, we have senior certificate. Let me load senior certificate, upload. And then you see guys, it's uploaded. Administration fee guys is 240. Unfortunately I didn't pay administration fee, so I'm gonna skip this one. Then grade 11 result, passport. On grade 11 result guys, still I'm gonna upload my matric statement. That's if you are having matric. But then if you are not having matric, you're gonna upload your straight grade 11 results. So yeah, passport guys, I'll leave it, but then it means I must come back and then upload administration fee, because administration fee guys is compulsory. But then at the moment I don't have it, so I'm gonna click continue. You see, but due to higher volume, the system is currently busy. Please wait. What? So yeah, now guys, they are just showing me the whole process I was doing. They are just showing me the courses I selected, everything, so that I can check and confirm. As you can see guys, it's written check and confirm. So I'm gonna be checking everything. If there's something you want to edit, you click edit. You see guys, now I'm checking everything. I'm checking everything. Okay, yeah, I'm fine guys. I'm gonna click confirm, and then you see guys, here we are guys, this is the last part of the application. Payment details. In this selection, you'll be required to confirm your payment details for the purpose of paying the application fee. If the application fee has not been paid, the application will not be considered. You see guys, this one is straightforward. Don't get confused when you see no application fee is required. This thing is straightforward guys, because they give me options to upload it. So they think maybe I uploaded it, but I didn't, which means my application won't get considered. But then sometimes you can pay administration fee before you apply. That one is gonna be the best way, so that when you apply, you upload it same time on the procedure. But then yeah, here we are guys, let's see. You see, application fee is 240 guys, and then here are the banking details. And then yeah, now guys, I'm gonna click submit application. You see there is a submit application down there. I'm gonna click it. Okay, here we are guys, my application has went through. I'm fine guys. This is the new way of applying at TUT. I hope everyone has shown me how I did this process guys. It's kind of confusing there and there, but it's not confusing. You just have to follow everything thoroughly. So I hope you guys find this video useful, you use it so that you can apply on your own.